Hey everyone, follow me through this video to make something really beautiful from this damaged plate. First of all, we'll fix all the cracks on this plate by using any flour. We'll mix flour with Mod Podge. You can get Mod Podge at any stationery store or online. I will share the link of the same in the video description. Knead well to get a hard dough type of consistency and take a bit of it, apply on the cracks. Remove extra dough and make the surface smooth. I have fixed all the cracks. Now let it dry for 2 to 3 hours. After drying, apply a layer of gesso. Gesso gives a good base for the artwork. I think all DIY lovers do have gesso. It's an amazing product. If you don't have, do purchase one. I will share the link in the description below. By using water, make a uniform thin layer of gesso. Let it dry. Apply gesso one more time for uniform dark black color. So here is the plate the very next day, completely repaired and ready for the DIY. For the center of the plate, I have printed out a quote which says, "Here is to the girl who finds glamour in the garden." I think it's made for me. I will remove all the extra paper from this design. And for margin of the plate, I have some pressed leaves which I collected long back. These leaves are of rabbit foot fur. Arrange everything on plate the way you want and start pasting everything using Mod Podge. The special character of Mod Podge is it becomes transparent once dry. I have pasted all 4 leaves. Now it's time to paste the cutout. Here is everything nicely pasted. Now we'll apply a coat of Mod Podge to make this plate dust proof and shiny. Now before doing anything, let the Mod Podge dry nicely. After drying, turn the plate and paste frame hook at appropriate location. For pasting frame hook, use good quality of silicone glue. In case you are using ceramic pot, the glue must be of good quality as the plate will fall down. Silicone glue takes 24 to 36 hours in drying completely. And friends, here is the plate on the wall. This plate was looking so beautiful that it was taken away by one of my best friends the next day, and so I made one more for myself. This one is also looking gorgeous, hai na? Do make one for yourself this Diwali. Happy Diwali!